Hi everyone, and welcome to the Simply Stamps channel. Creating a cohesive and memorable brand is key to your success as a small business owner. But when you consider all the different branded products you'll need and high printing costs, you may quickly conclude that it's out of your budget. Thankfully, there's another solution for you as a small business owner, and it's a custom logo stamp. With a single stamp, you can brand your stationery, business cards, packaging, and so much more. So today, we're here to teach you all about this affordable branding solution. When you're starting your small business, you'll want a way to leave your mark and get your brand noticed. For many business owners, seeing their logo on things like receipts and shopping bags gives them a huge sense of accomplishment. With a custom logo stamp, you can brand all the products you'll need, whether you needed branded stationery, letterhead, and brochures, or clothing tags, shopping bags, and business cards. A quality logo stamp is your solution. Our customers who own breweries use their logo stamp to brand things like their menus or their coasters, while the small local coffee shops in all corners of the country use their logo stamp to brand their paper coffee cups or the sleeves that slide onto the cup. For every small business out there, there's a way to affordably brand your business with a logo stamp. Now, if you've decided that a logo stamp is a good option for your small business, you're probably wondering, what's the first steps to ordering my new stamp? First of all, you'll need a high-quality version of your business's logo. Our lasers we use to make your stamp create the best stamps from original vector artwork, which is an AI or an EPS file. If you don't have the original vector art files, we also accept PDF, TIFF, JPEG, PNG, and bitmap files, but be sure your logo is at least 300 DPI. Once you have your artwork ready, head to simplystamps.com and click on the Logo Stamps category. A variety of different sizes and kinds of stamps will be available for you to choose from. Our logo stamps are available in traditional wood handle, pre-inked, and self-inking. But be sure to consider what surface you'll be stamping on and what size you'll need when choosing what stamp is right for you. If you need help making that decision, just click the link in this video's description. After you've decided on a type of stamp and size, you'll simply upload your artwork by clicking the Choose File button on the product page. Upload your artwork and add any special instructions in the comment box. Would you like to see a proof? Or do you need the size of your stamp to be adjusted? You can let us know here. Then simply proceed to checkout and complete your order. Ordering your new logo stamp is as easy as that. What's even better is you'll get your new logo stamp really fast. All of our orders ship the very next business day, so you'll be affordably branding your small business in no time. Now, to read our tips for getting the best impression on a variety of different popular surfaces, just click the link in the video description. If you find you still have questions, you can leave them in the comment section below, or give us a call or send us an email. Thanks for watching today, everyone. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.